Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hilwah Tazkiyah. You can call me Hilwah. With NPM 224119090. From Manajemen, 22nd, Class 8. Here I will explain about material MSDM number 13, namely communication. Number 1, I will explain about understanding communication. Communication engineering. Communication is the process of conveying information from one person to other so that the information can be understood. Communication can be done verbally or non-verbally. According to some, communication can also be defined as a process that allows a person to express themselves verbal to influence the action of others. Next, types of communication. There are several types of communication that all have the same goals, namely conveying information. The following are various types of communication and their explanation. Number 1, verbal communication is communication carried out through the use of words, both written and spoken. Non-verbal communication is communication that occurs without using words such as the use of body language, gesture, and facial expression. Number 2, written communication. A type of communication is which information is sent in the form of letter, email, or the text message. Visual communication, a type of communication that as image, photo, graphic, or video to convey message or information. Formal communication is communication that occurs in a formal context, such as a workplace or organization, using formal language. Informal communication is a type of communication that takes place in an informal setting, such as at home. Next, communication purpose. Number 1, improve understanding. The main goal of communication is to foster understanding between the party giving and the party receiving the gift. Effective communication ensure that this information conveyed and can be clear understood by the recipient. Number 2, provide information. A communication is asked to convey information, be it fact, data, or new knowledge. This objective will help us in expanding our knowledge and understanding. Number 3, shaping attitude and behavior. Communication is also important to improve one's skill, knowledge, and ability through persuasive communication can be encourage others to change their behaviors or action. Number 4, building relationship. Communication is very important in business. Next, the importance of communication in the world of work. Number 1, team building. Employee productivity and creative cannot be separated from the influence of a strong and well communication team. Effective, the building must be based on how a team member communicate and work together. By implementing effective communication strategy, team can become more effective and influence employee and company satisfaction. Number 2, increase productive. Good communication between workers can bring you perspective on how to solve problem and work together. Effective communication also encourage collaboration, which increase employee work productivity and have a positive impact on company development. Number 3, simplifying the application of roles. Communication can also play a role in implementing internal roles. Every company must as role to achieve common goals. It is the obligation of employees to comply with all the roles that have been set. Once again, the roles of communication is very important to ensure that these roles are disseminated to all employees. Number 4, understanding personality. Communication is the work is also used to understand other people's personality. This effort is very effective in making it easy for other people to understand message and information, and facility in interpersonal communication can prevent misunderstanding and other complications. This will facilitate effective communication and avoid misunderstanding in the workplace conflict resolvable. Number 5, facial definition making. Communication is relation to facilitate decision making. Through communication, individual and group can obtain the information they need. Through this information, employers can obtain data and evaluate an alternative option. It must be encouraged. Number 6, motivation. Communication is the main motivation factor. Good communication influences a person's positive attitude towards work. Conversely, poor communication can cause low motivation at work and conflict within the company. Communication, understanding communication, types of communication purpose, the importance of communication in the work. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1, it is team building. Number 2, encourage productivity. Number 3, sampling the application of roles. Number 4, understanding personality. Number 5, parsing making. Number 6, motivation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.